Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 10th video in Python for data science or data manipulating. In the last video we have covered Numpy trigonometry. In this video we are going to cover Numpy exponents and also logarithms. For this I'm going to import my Numpy as in P. After that I'm going to define a new array, Numpy array, np.array 1 2 3 like this. Now I'm going to print my array value like this. If I run this, you can see that now I have my array. If you want to find the power, we are going to make some examples to the power of e. Like this. Okay, let me find to the power of x to the power of e, np dot exponent x. If I run this, you can see that this is our value, our array. Okay, if you want to find to the power of 2, for this you can write 2 x np dot xp2. Now if I run this, you can see that now this is our new array, 2 4 8. 1 to the power of 2 is 2, 1 to the power of 2 is 4, and 3 to the power of 2 is 8. If you want to find to the power of 3, for this you can write 3 x np dot np dot power 3 and x. Now if I run this, you can see that we have to the power of 3. This was our exponents, and also logarithms are also available in Numpy arrays. The basic of np.log gives us the natural logarithms. For example, in here okay, I'm going to make a new Python file for my logarithms. After that I'm importing Numpy as in P. I'm defining a new array like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to print my array value, my array y. If I run this, you can see that my Numpy array. Okay, if you want to find the x logarithm, for this you can write print x np dot log x and log y, and change this to y. Okay, now if I run this, you can see that now this is our log x. If you want to find the logarithm base 2, for this you can write log np dot log 2 and give your y. If I run this, you can see that now this is our log 2. If you want to find the log 10, logarithm base 10, sorry, I changed this to y because it was our previous example for x. Okay, now np dot log 10 x y, sorry. Now if I run this, you can see that now this is log base 10. Thank you guys. This was our 10th video. For the further videos, please subscribe my channel and also please like the videos.